Oh, yeah. No, no, not yet. Not yet. Time, yeah, sure, time for it. What have we got today, then? Hmm? No one. Go! Hey, Carlos. I was having a lot more fun of her beating me, but I mean, you know what I mean. Actually, I don't think there's, I don't think there's any way to respond to that. Just call her. me sweating. Bonjour. Hey yo! Beats is. Yeah, definitely. I know they are. Yeah, they are 100% doing each other. Jet black. That was delicious. Oh. Well, I 100% have a crush on her. Oh, I got the bad one. Nobody likes this one. Well, except as opposite weirdos.
Morning. Raven.
Oh, and really good.
Morning. Good morning. Ah. Good evening. Morning. Wow. Morning. 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 What would you like? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
I don't know, that's weird. Hey. Whatever weather. Good morning. Shaggy, you don't smell good. Sniff, sniff. Evelyn demands that I go on a diet. No of that goal. I am now only allowed to not devour fried udon, royal curry, and grilled lobster. Wait, so are you on a diet or not? Nice weather today. It's perfect for napping. Good morning. When I look at the shipping bin, sometimes I wonder what would happen if I just left everything in there. But you've never actually done that, right? No, not yet. I'll leave it at that. Whack. Beautiful weather today. Perfect for chowing down. Good morning. I've got a bad feeling about Marianne, huh? Why? Oh, I'm sure it's no big deal. Now, eating. That's a big deal. Can't stand the stench of onions. Whenever Dad brings them to the kitchen, I bail. Oh, shit. Well, maybe. Is there anything, I don't know, wine especially, I don't even remember how I got home, just a sip when you got plastered. I don't know what you said, I'm sorry, I was distracted. Oh well. Evelyn, I already talked to Evelyn. I already did you. I didn't do Daria. Good morning. Good morning. By the way, you appear a little different from everyone else here. I'm from the East, but I haven't quite adjusted to everything here. I'm from Ireland, and I haven't adjusted to everything here either. I don't know how to pronounce her name, but I'll do that, whatever. Yeah, I'll do I don't know how to pronounce her name. Hey, Saki, I don't know how to pronounce her name. Yes, I've actually had orders from Blaze and Marjorie, but I have something else I need to do. Could you deliver them for me? That's fine. Thanks, I knew I could count on you. Well, this heavy spice goes to Blaze, and this tomato goes to Marjorie. Oh, okay. Well, thanks for doing this for me. Yeah, I'll go find Blaze. And now I have to go see, Mad Marjorie, or the Hardy, is right over here. I'm just kidding, I'm more into men than anything. I don't know what you said, I'm getting a little annoyed every day. Ah, my head hurts. Oh, Shaggy, you came to take a bath. No. Miss Innkeeper, can we get bath ready for the, I don't know. Of course not. Well, here's a special offer. 1 free voucher for the women's bath. Ooh, yeah. What's the deal? You seem disappointed. Oh, wait, what are you doing? I thought we'd do some stand-up comedy to draw customers in, but it's not going too well. What's the deal? Wait, what are you talking about? It's about, oh well, anyway, you got to deliver things, well here's your compensation. What's the deal? Yeah, that's the timing. P.O., you remember that. Wow, what? I don't understand. It's 100. Well, this is your real compensation. Oh, thanks again. Oh, I gotta. Whoa, man! I think you gave me a little too much there. Entire fleece. I don't know what I'm gonna possibly do with that. Yeah. Oh yeah, I was gonna look for a squid. And I don't know how to pronounce anyone's names here. Aw. Is it because I haven't done any requests? I'll get to it when I get to it, okay? Okay, now to get fried squid for Pia, which is quite easy. If I can actually catch a fried squid. Ah! Why can I need one squid. You give me a squid. Don't. Ah, thank you. I don't think it's gonna be a squid, but it might be something. It is a squid. A big one too. Let's fry that bad boy up. Oh yeah. Oh, that's right. It was level. That was just plain luck. That was a huge amount of luck. Pia, 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 Pia. Hi. Red. Straw. Ooh, fine, bye. Yeah, what do I do next? I'll go to bed. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Thank you for watching.